Have you ever wondered just how vast the universe really is? Let's take a moment to ponder this thought. Picture our home planet, Earth, a vibrant blue sphere teeming with life. It feels pretty large, doesn't it? But when we compare Earth to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, our home starts to seem quite petite. Jupiter is so large that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. That's a lot of Earths. Now let's take a step back and look at our solar system. If we were to shrink the solar system down so that the Earth is the size of a pea, Jupiter would be about the size of a grape. The entire solar system, from the Sun to Neptune, would span about 6.5 football fields. That's a long way to throw a pea. But the solar system is just a tiny dot in our Milky Way galaxy. Imagine, if you will, that our entire solar system, those 6.5 football fields, is now shrunk down to the size of a single grain of sand. The Milky Way, in comparison, would be about the size of North America. And yet, the Milky Way is just one of about 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. If every galaxy were the size of a dinner plate, they would cover the surface of Earth more than 500,000 times. So the next time you find yourself staring at the night sky, remember that each point of light is a star, possibly with planets of its own, in a galaxy just like ours, scattered across the unimaginable vastness of the cosmos. As we can see, the universe is unimaginably vast, far beyond what we can comprehend on our earthly scale. Now that we've established the mind-boggling size of the universe, let's delve into the size of different celestial bodies. Imagine holding a marble. That's roughly the size of the Earth if you could shrink it down. Now, if Earth is a marble, then Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, would be about the size of a basketball. It's so large that you could fit over 1,000 Earths inside it. Now let's consider our Sun. If you've ever squinted at the sky on a bright day, you might think it's about the size of a coin. But in our scaled-down universe, where Earth is a marble and Jupiter a basketball, the Sun would be a colossal sphere over 6 feet in diameter. That's about the height of a tall person. It's so vast that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. But let's not stop there. Our Sun is a star, but it's far from the largest star in our galaxy. Let's consider Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star in the constellation Orion. If our Sun is a 6-foot sphere, then Betelgeuse would be the equivalent of 6 football fields end to end. And yet, even Betelgeuse isn't the largest star we know of. That title belongs to UY Scuti, a hypergiant star that's so large it defies comprehension. If our Sun were the size of a 6-foot sphere, UY Scuti would be over a mile wide. That's larger than the entire island of Manhattan. It's fascinating to realize that Earth, which seems so big to us, is actually just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of things. But don't let that make you feel insignificant. After all, it's on this tiny speck that we've built civilizations, explored the mysteries of the universe, and dreamed of the stars. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, you're part of something much, much bigger. So, we've seen how Earth stacks up against other planets and the Sun, but what about stars? Let's start with our Sun, a typical middle-aged star. It's about 1 million miles in diameter. That's over 100 Earths lined up side by side. But in the grand scheme of the galaxy, our Sun is just a speck. Take Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky. It's twice as large as the Sun. If the Sun were a beach ball, Sirius would be a small car. Yet Sirius is still considered a dwarf when compared to other stars. Let's move to Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the constellation Orion. Betelgeuse is about 700 times larger than the Sun. That's like comparing a marble to a hot air balloon. Betelgeuse is so large that if it were at the center of our solar system, its outer surface would extend past the asteroid belt. But the current record holder for the largest known star is Vi Canis Majoris. It's a hypergiant, more than 2,000 times larger than our Sun. Imagine a grain of sand next to a 6-story building and you might start to get an idea of the scale we're talking about. Yet, as immense as these stars are, they're just a tiny part of our galaxy, which is itself only one of countless galaxies in the universe. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? In the end, size in space is relative. What we consider large or small depends on what we're comparing it to. And when it comes to stars, they make even our Sun look small. It's almost impossible to truly comprehend the size of these stars especially when you consider that our Sun is just an average-sized star. Let's take a moment to summarize what we've learned about the size comparisons of different celestial bodies. As we journeyed from our home planet Earth, we've seen how it stands up against the giants of our solar system. Jupiter, for instance, is over 11 times the diameter of Earth. Imagine 11 Earths lined up side by side, and you'll start to grasp the enormity of Jupiter. We then ventured out to our Sun, a celestial body that dwarfs all planets in our solar system. You could fit over 1 million Earths inside the Sun. That's like filling a beach ball with over 1 million grains of sand. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? But the Sun, as massive as it is not the largest star in the universe. Far from it. We've seen stars like UY Scuti, the current record holder for the largest known star. It's about 1,700 times the size of our Sun. If the Sun is a beach ball, UY Scuti would be the size of a hot air balloon. Truly mind-boggling. And let's not forget the vastness of the universe itself. It's so large that we use the term observable universe, because there's a limit to how far we can see. It's estimated to be 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's a number so large, it's almost incomprehensible. If you were to travel at the speed of light, it would take you 93 billion years to go from one end to the other. As we've seen, the universe is a vast, mind-boggling place, and we are just a small part of it. We've journeyed from the familiar terrain of our home planet to the farthest reaches of the cosmos, and in doing so, we've gained a greater appreciation for the celestial bodies that share our universe. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring journey that reminds us of our place in the cosmos. So, after exploring the astronomical sizes of the universe and its celestial bodies, where does that leave us? Well, it's a humbling realization, isn't it? We've journeyed through the gargantuan vastness of the universe, compared the sizes of celestial bodies, and examined the immensity of stars. And in this cosmic ballet, we find ourselves humans on a small blue planet in an unassuming corner of the Milky Way. But rather than feeling insignificant, these size comparisons should inspire awe. The universe is a grand stage, and we are privileged to be a part of it. Our Earth, though merely a speck in the cosmic ocean, is a precious haven of life, a testament to the universe's potential for creation. From the tiniest grain of sand to the largest star, each entity in the universe has its place, its role to play. We too have a part in this cosmic story. As sentient beings capable of contemplating the cosmos, we are uniquely positioned to seek out the universe's secrets. And these size comparisons, they're just the beginning of the story. The universe is a puzzle, a never-ending mystery that invites us to explore. Every celestial body, every star we've compared is a piece of that puzzle. And with each piece we understand, we come closer to comprehending the grand tapestry of the cosmos. This journey of exploration and discovery isn't just about understanding the universe, it's about understanding ourselves, our place in the cosmos, and our responsibility to cherish and protect our home planet. So, what's next? The universe is vast, and there's so much more to learn. The stars, the planets, the galaxies, they're all waiting for us. Let's continue to explore, to learn, and to marvel at the wonders of the universe. While we may be small in the grand scheme of the universe, our capacity to learn and understand the cosmos is limitless. So keep looking up, because the universe is waiting to be explored.